What's up, all you YouTubers out there? It's your homeboy Kyle Cohan. No, it's not. And it's Jason. Being sexy.
Turn it sideways.
Emo MySpace pic. You're not following with the emo MySpace pic. You guys know my cat Bella.
No, you don't.
You guys may have recognized her as the sexiest cat on the face of the earth. Bella. Don't scare her. Bass! Bella, no! I need you. Oh, God. Don't.
What do you want?
What do you guys do on Friday nights? We should be at the Southwest game. Maybe.
No, we shouldn't.
No, we shouldn't actually. No, we're not. No, nor are we jocks. Or what Jason said. Excuse me. It was a pizza burp. Videotape the fan. Videotape the fan. Videotape the fan.
Shrimp teriyaki, so that's a lot better.
Hey, Belle. You're a good kitty. You're a good kitty.
Slide tackle.
No, don't. You scared the cat. Stop it. You're gonna mess up my lip gloss. You're gonna mess up my lip gloss. Let's zoom in on those sexy braces. Oh, there's a shiny. What do you get him at? Who's your orthodontist? Dr. Fike? No! No, you scared my cat and get...
Oops, that's the wrong...
Ow! I gotta run.
No, you don't.
Jason's gonna kill me. I'm gonna hold this over the edge of this. Oh my god. Oh my god, my cat. Jason, my cat. Jason, my cat. Jason, my cat. Jason. So, what do you guys like to do on Friday night? Leave a comment. I don't know, what do you like to do on Friday night? Maybe rub yourself vigorously?
No, that's Saturday night.
Just leave a comment, you little
Rascals.
rascals. That's a good word. That's a good word to use. Good for you, Jason.
Don't dare touch me. Don't do it.
Dang, it doesn't work.
Because my calves are very strong. You want to feel?
You guys know